Outside this morning, not too much wind at this point in the morning, but we do have a lot of warmth for this time of the year standards. 40s to around 50-degree temperatures right now. Iowa Falls just shy of 50. Fort Dodge and Carroll both in the 50-degree range. You folks were in the 30s yesterday. This is the warmest morning of the week. We've got a few clouds drifting overhead, but no more moisture than that, and probably not more moisture than that expected through today, besides a little bit grayer skies. Look way northwest, up kind of right here behind the banner. That's where our next cold front is, up towards the northern part of the Dakotas and back through Montana. That's coming our way as soon as later tonight. Until it gets here, though, our breeze stays out of the south and it gets stronger. The numbers you're seeing here are the gusts in the neighborhood of 40 miles per hour coming up as we head towards mid-morning and through the afternoon. We paused the clock at lunchtime today. Out of the south and west, so still mild. Clouds drifting overhead. That front comes our direction then later on tonight. Northwest Iowa as soon as, let's say, 6, 7 o'clock. Gets here probably the Des Moines Metro 10, 11 o'clock, something like that. The winds shift around to the north and west. Might squeeze out maybe a stray spotty sprinkle or two. No more moisture than that expected, though. There's just too many dry layers of air between the clouds and the ground. That front then scours the clouds out of here. Tomorrow morning we will dawn with sunshine, just a lot chillier conditions ahead for us. So we got to talk wind chills. We've gone back to this afternoon now. No wind chills later today, because the winds will still be warm, temperatures will still be warm. 60s during the afternoon today for the last time. And then as we head towards tonight, look at that quick drop in readings. We dropped to readings in the 30s as we head towards the evening in northern Iowa. And then by tomorrow morning, we all kind of settle down to wind chills into the 20s. As we start off our Friday, we only recover to about the 40s tomorrow afternoon. So it'll be noticeably chillier, noticeably more like normal as we head towards tomorrow. It's not bad this weekend, though. Still looking at a nice little jump back up into the 50s Saturday. It's still in the 50s Sunday, just increasing our cloud cover Sunday ahead of a chance of some showers that'll pass by with a system going to the south of us towards Monday. So Monday still looks like our only chance of any kind of moisture. Maybe some rain showers, best chance in southern Iowa. And then once that's gone, some colder winds start to blow in, some chillier air headed towards Thanksgiving, and highs in the 30s are starting to look more likely.